In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Zoom meeting audio. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation, hosting a meeting, or simply catching up with friends, it's essential to make sure your Zoom audio settings are functioning correctly. Let's take a moment to go through this process step by step so you can ensure an optimal sound experience during your virtual gatherings. First off, start by opening the Zoom application on your device. Once you have the app running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice your profile icon just above, likely displaying your initial or profile picture. This icon is your gateway to accessing a variety of settings within Zoom, so go ahead and click on that profile icon. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear, unveiling several options. Among these, look for the Settings option. Selecting Settings will open up a window filled with multiple tabs and choices that allow you to customize your Zoom experience according to your preferences. It's in this realm that you'll find the tools you need to ensure your audio setup is just right. With the settings window open, your next stop is the audio section. You'll find this option waiting for you in the side panel, ready to assist in fine-tuning your sound configurations. Give it a click. This will bring up a variety of controls and options specifically tailored for managing and testing your audio devices. Now, within the audio settings, you have the opportunity to select your preferred microphone and speaker. It's crucial to make sure these selections correspond to the devices you are actively using or wish to use during your meetings. A handy tip is to use the test speaker function to check if audio is coming through loud and clear. All you need to do is click the button and you should hear a test sound. If you do, that means your speaker is working fine. Similarly, you can also test your microphone by clicking on the test mic option. Try speaking into your microphone and then listen to the playback. This is a great way to confirm that your voice is being captured accurately and at a suitable volume level. If you notice any issues, take a moment to adjust the volume sliders accordingly. This simple adjustment process ensures that both you and your participants will have a seamless communication experience without any technical hitches. Remember, conducting these quick audio tests before each meeting can make a world of difference, preventing last-minute scrambles and facilitating a more professional and efficient virtual interaction. By following these steps, you've now mastered the art of testing Zoom meeting audio, and you're all set for a successful online engagement. Happy Zooming!